Good morning, children. On previous turn, we had studied the different types of nests, right? How many types of nests are there? The nest of different birds we had studied. Today, we are going to study parental care. Okay, means how the parent birds take care of their young ones. How the parent birds take care of their babies. Okay, so let's start. All of you open page number 33 and keep your finger here on parental care. Okay, so let's start. Once the nest is ready, the mother bird lays eggs in it. Okay, firstly they will form the nest, they will make the nest, mother bird and father bird, and when the nest is ready, then mother bird will lay egg in the nest. Okay, both parents sit on the eggs in turns to keep them warm, and both parents sit on the eggs, means mother bird and father bird both will sit on the eggs. Why they sit on the eggs? To keep them warm. Okay, so that the eggs remain warm. This is called incubation. This process in which the mother bird and father bird sit on the eggs to keep them warm, this process is called incubation. Okay, and once the eggs are hatched, the babies come out of the eggs. Okay, when the eggs are hatched, then from the eggs the babies come out. Okay, but these babies are very weak, they do not have feathers and they cannot even open their eyes. Okay, so mother bird and father bird go outside for search of food. They feed their young ones till they grow their own feathers, means the baby bird do not have feathers, they cannot even open their eyes and they are very weak. Okay, so that's why mother bird and father bird go in search of food. They bring the food and then they feed that food to their babies. Okay, they give that food to their babies. So until till the babies cannot grow the feathers. Okay, means जब तक बेबी के पास feather नहीं आ जाते हैं तब तक मदर बर्ड एंड फादर बर्ड उनको खाना देते हैं. ओके, उनको फूड देते हैं, फूड प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो दे फीड देयर यंग वंस टिल दे ग्रो देयर ओन फेदर्स. एंड मदर बर्ड एंड फादर बर्ड टीच देयर यंग वंस टू फ्लाई. Parent bird also teach also to their babies that how to fly. Okay, now all of you turn the page, open page number 34. Okay, so mother bird and father birds teach them how to fly, and when the young ones learn to fly, they leave the nest and fly away to distant places. Okay, when the baby bird learns how to fly, then they go fly away at distant places. And the parent bird protect them from enemies like cats, snakes, and they also clean the nest and keep it cozy. Cozy means warm for their young ones. Okay, so students, parental care means how the parent birds take care of their child. They give food to them, they provide food to their babies, they clean the nest, they protect them from enemies, they teach them how to fly, right? And they keep the nest warm also. So by all these things, the parent bird takes care of their babies. Okay, this is called parental care. Now come here at this paragraph, keep your finger there, students. Okay, how will you feel if someone destroys your house? Naturally you will feel bad, right? If someone will destroy your house, you will feel bad, na? So please do not destroy a bird's nest if you see it somewhere. So that's why bird's nest is also bird's home. Okay, bird's nest is their home for the bird. So we should not destroy, we should never destroy their home, we should never destroy their nest. Okay, if they have laid eggs, do not destroy their eggs. If the birds laid eggs in their nest, we should not destroy them. Instead means you can help the birds by keeping material like bits of cloth, paper, straw, twigs, etc. in your garden or in the balcony, so that they don't have to search far for those materials to make their nest. we should never break the nest, we should never break their eggs. We can help them. Okay, we can help the birds. How we can help the birds? In our garden we can place the some amount of bits of paper, cloth, twigs, okay, wool, paper, straw, all these things we can keep in our garden and in our balcony, so that if the bird want to make nest, it can take these material from our garden or balcony. Okay, we can help them like this. Okay, now the next is how birds fly. We will see that how birds fly. So let's read it. Birds can fly because they have a boat shaped body. Okay, the shape of the body of the birds is boat shaped. Okay, means at both the ends it is pointed and in the mid it is broad. Okay, so this is called boat shaped body. Okay, so birds can fly because they have a boat-shaped body. Hollow bones means their bones from inside, their bones are empty. Okay, that's why their bones are hollow. And our bones are solid, means in our bones inside also some material is filled. But in birds' bones from inside, these bones are hollow, so that they can be light in weight and they can fly easily. Okay, that's why their bones are hollow. Feathers, they have feathers also, strong muscles and wings. They have wings also. With the help of wings they can fly. Okay, the boat shaped body of the birds help them to cut through the air easily. Students, their body shape is like this, boat shaped. So if the wind is coming, if the air is coming, then air can go from this side and this side, and they can fly very easily. Okay, so their boat shaped body to help them to cut the air easily. Air will be cut when air comes from the front. The air will be cut into two parts. It will go here and here, this side. Okay, their bones are hollow and filled with air. Okay, inside their bones the air is filled, nothing any solid material is not there inside their bones. Okay, and because of this they are light in weight and they can fly from one place to another place. The wings have feathers. They have wings also, and on the wings feathers are also there, which help them to fly. The wings are attached to the bird's body with strong muscles. Okay, the wings of the birds are attached to their body with the help of very strong muscles. These muscles help the birds to flap their wings easily. A bird can change its direction while flying with the help of its tail. And when birds want to change their direction at the time of flying, when birds want to change their direction, they can do this with the help of their tail. Okay, with the help of their tail they can change the direction. Okay. Now, birds move their wings up and down and forward and backward while flying, right? Birds move their wings up and down, forward and backward while flying. The wings show two types of movement. Their wings can show two types of movements, the upstroke movement and the downstroke movement. So students, what is upstroke movement? The upward and backward movement of the wings is called upstroke movement. Means the upward, okay, the upward when they move their wings upside and backward. Okay, then their body go little backside. So this is the upward and backward movement of the wings is called upstroke. And when they make their wings downward and forward. Okay, when they do their wings downward, move their wings in downwards and forwards, and their body goes little forward at that time. Okay. So this movement is called downstroke movement. So wings are attached to the bird's body with the help of strong muscles, and wings can show two types of movements, upstroke and downstroke. Okay, now students, feathers. We will study feathers of birds here. Okay, so let's start. Feathers of birds. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. There are three types of feathers. Okay, the bird's whole body is covered with feathers, and three types of feathers are found in bird's body: down feathers, body feathers and flight feathers. Let's study. Down feathers are small and fluffy. Okay, you can see the diagram also in your book of the down feathers. They are small and fluffy. They are present next to the bird's skin. They keep the bird's body warm. Means they present just over the skin. Okay, these down feathers present just over the skin, and they keep the bird's body warm. Because of this, the bird's body remain warm. The next is body feathers. They cover the entire body of the bird. They form a layer over the down feathers. Just above the down feathers, body feathers are present in their whole body. Okay, body feathers cover the whole body of the bird, and they are present over the down feathers. Means just above the down feathers, the body feathers are present. They protect the bird from the cold and wind. They also give shape to the bird's body. Down feather, what is the use of down feathers? They keep the bird's body warm. What is the use of body feathers? They protect the bird's body from cold and wind. Okay, and they give shape also to bird's body. The next one is, the third is flight feathers. What are flight feathers? These are the long and flat feathers. They are found especially in wings and tail. Okay, these flight feathers, they are not present over the whole body. They are present over the wings and tail. Okay, they are present at the wings and tail, which help the bird to fly. And what are the function of flight feathers? As the name indicates, flight means they help the birds to fly. Okay, so 3 feathers are there: down feathers, body feathers, and flight feathers. Down feathers keep the bird's body warm. Body feathers, they give shape to the bird's body and they protect them from cold and wind. And flight feathers help them to fly, and they are found on wings and tail. Okay students, so today our chapter 3rd is finished. Now on next turn we will start the next chapter. Thank you.